everyone, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we shall be looking at this math question which says 8 plus 4 multiplied by 3 divided by 6. Some people think this is a difficult question, but no, though it's tricky, but it is very easy and simple. Now let's dive into how to solve it. Some people do solve it this way. They do start from the left to the right hand side. So let's start from the left hand side first to know if we are going to be getting the correct answer. Now 8 plus 4 equals what? 12. Then let's bring down this. The next thing is what? 12 multiplied by 3, which gives us what? 36. Then finally, 36 divided by 6, which gives us what? 6. Some people do arrive at 6 as their final answer, of which 6 is absolutely wrong. For you to solve this type of question, we shall be looking at the rule of BODMAS. The rule of BODMAS. Under the rule of BODMAS, B stands for what? Bracket, O of D division, M multiplication, A addition, and S subtraction. So let's write a question back. Then we shall be solving this question again using the rule of BODMAS. Now, the first sign under the rule of BODMAS that we shall be using here is the division sign, which is 3 divided by 6. 3 divided by 6. Now, what's the answer here? 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 6, 2. That is 3 divided by 6 gives us what? 1 divided by 2. Then let's bring down the previous numbers. Why this is going to be represented by 1 divided by 2. Under the rule of BODMAS, the next sign is what? The multiplication sign. That is 4 multiplied by 1 over 2. Now 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 4, 2. So this gives us what? 2 multiplied by 1 equals what? 2. So let's bring down this. 8 plus, why this is going to be represented by 2. So 8 plus 2 give us what? 10. Is 10 our final answer? Kindly write your answer in the comment section. Till we meet in the next lesson. Bye.